Ladies and gentlemen, two-time Academy Award winner, Miss Jane Fonda.
Tonight we honor extraordinary achievements in all areas of motion picture production for 1988, a year in which it can truly be said, the world went back to the movies. The members of this Academy have chosen 5 out of the eligible films. These exceptional movies range across the spectrum of human experience, covering topics as diverse as autism, racism, careerism, sexism, voyeurism, and tourism, accidental and otherwise. You want isms? We got them. As the evening progresses, we're going to show you scenes from each of the 5 nominees. And by the way, this in no way excuses you from going to see the movies themselves. And I mean see them in a theater. You want to watch videotapes? I know some terrific videotapes you can watch. Okay? Our first nominee for Best Picture is Rain Man. It's about what happens when a slick young hustler discovers his long-lost older brother, an autistic savant. The brothers are played magnificently by Dustin Hoffman and Tom Cruise. In this scene, the younger brother inadvertently triggers a memory in his older brother's mind, a memory that provides a clue, a very vital clue, to what happened to them in their childhood. It gives me great pleasure to introduce a man who was my father's best friend and a part of my life when I was growing up. He's here tonight with one of the screen's great beauties. You'll remember them from Hitchcock's film Vertigo, but I know them as Jimmy Stewart and Kim Novak.
Well, Kim, you know, I could have gone up there and walked down with you, but as you know, I'm afraid of heights.
I seem to remember that.
Yeah.
Now, if you happen to have on these shoes, Jimmy, I mean, then you would have something to be afraid about.
Well, if I was wearing those shoes, I'd be afraid of a lot of things and a lot of... A lot of things would be afraid of me.
We're here to present the awards tonight to the gentleman who makes sure that the audience hears every sigh, each whisper, even every moan. The Sound Awards.
Well, you've certainly piqued my interest. I feel very honored giving this award. I've always enjoyed a very good relationship with the sound man. Unfortunately, they sometimes run out of tape before I finish my line.
The award for achievement in sound will go to one of these masterful teams. Les Fresholtz, Dick Alexander, Vern Poore, and Willie D. Burton, who showcased the music of the great Charlie Parker and Bird. Don Bassler, Kevin F. Cleary, Richard Overton, and Al Overton, who blew up the new Fox building in Die Hard. Andy Nelson, Brian Saunders, and Peter Hanford, who faithfully recorded all the idle chatter of Gorillas in the Mist. Robert Litt, Elliot Tyson, Rick Klein, and Danny Michael, who made sure that we understood all the actors, even when they were wearing hoods, in Mississippi Burning. And Robert Knudsen, John Boyd, Don DiGirolamo, and Tony Daw, who brilliantly captured all the tunes, sung by all the tunes, in Who Framed Roger Rabbit.
And the Oscar goes to Burton.
Good afternoon. I thank you. I'm so happy. This is my fourth nomination, and I don't know what to say other than I'm so delighted. These wonderful people with me here, Les Fresholtz and Vern, Poore, and Dick Alexander, thank you for everything. I'd like to thank David Valdez, also Clint Eastwood, and also my boom man, Marvin Lewis and Robert Harris. Thank you. Thank you for everything.